they're just talking about like random things. Like,
Did you talk your back?
That was on cue.
Dude, let's go.
Perfect. Let's go. I think I might have talked about this, but if you sneeze and say sorry, why? It's like a natural human function that like it's
Yeah.
But like
kinda,
it's an interruption.
yeah, but it's sort of kind of like out of control. Like if it comes out the other end, it's like, okay, you can have a little control on that. We get it. They slip.
Sometimes.
But sometimes, yeah, they slip. There's just nothing you can do.
Or you sneeze or cough, and it that's what makes it come out the other end.